walk like in there. Swing off your foot then. Swing off your head. Swing off your ear off your head so you catch up back your fire. And do that. This is perfect. Roasted one. Roasted chicken. Eh? Yeah. Me a roast it again, brother. So I'm perfect for roast it, but can't go roast it because I have to swing off it again first. Because you never scrape. So you just put him on the fire, Mickey. I'm going to use the knife and scrape him. Yeah. You go and swing off a little bit. We just scrape him down. So we just all scrape him clean after we're done. We just all scrape him off and just maybe we wash him, you know. Clean him off. After we're done. More fire break nice so hot like a you're getting first turn now. I mean so I happy time of my life because we always get a whole heap of meat for roast and things like that. But since lately now for animal because we used to have a goat and anything, we don't have a goat and anything again. So this is a kind of rare now to see one animal get butchered in the yard. One time when I went to butcher in the yard often, my grandmother used to raise a whole heap of pig and anything there. Even see them thing there going again. Grandmother now raise one for pig and anything there again. So we get all them experience here. It was good to get back them experience here when we young. Most of the people these days not really. Next generation will come up now. Now I go do them thing because I don't see nobody raise like hog in them yard again. In the yard back and them thing there again. All these people raise again in the yard back again. 1 and 2 but you don't really see them thing there again. Well, it's good for people have animal in their yard back. Say for you, if you live in Jamaica, yeah, good for us raise one pig. Anything you have, a morning time you wake up with a pot soup, every little thing you give him. And thing. Yeah, because pig kind of deer still. Goat deer. Ay. Drop. Pig and them thing deer now. Be young pig. Expensive. Fire hot. Them thing you mash up knife still, I'm not grown now. But you have it done. Burn out the steel out of the knife. And thing. Ay. Hot, you know? You see it so. I got the fire. I'm going to remedy for that suppose. So we'll get some gloves, people. But one thing we notice the gloves go while it's hard to touch the button on the GoPro. Yeah. So you want to you could grill now all up at all. Crepe them off so you get a look of golden. You know what? Want a golden colour there. So you want to have the golden colour there. Take off all of the ear them off. Yeah. Swing them off. No place a swing off them place. Yeah, then 2 years we did before we start with the meat. Today I run fly for the meat. Oh no. Fly upon it. Now we've covered it now. Yeah, it look good. Decent. Right, go and look. Want to have a look of gold. You know the gold, the bright golden color, color they want to have. All of them here have to go. All of them here have to swing off. All of them till they look like this, shine and look pretty like this. Then we are gonna wash him. You know thing, you know, wash him today. Just want to get him clean up. Aye. Yeah, but after a while, you see gloves now. After a while, you eat, take time and soak in your gloves. If you don't know it, because you don't know it, sometimes you don't notice it. So you eat and soak in your gloves. We're taking time and soak in our gloves. Come here and sweat. So right now, this is a time I know. I want to get some skewer, that's it. Easy to cook through, you know. See some slice. Piece of ribs this. Kidney. Like a sharp though. Sharp, bad. So right now we have a coconut oil, and scotch bonnet pepper, and the meat. We have a chopping board. We now use chopping board. Remove the chopping board. Eat it on the platter. Oh, we have Maggi season. We have two. I think we don't need two. One we have to use. A little salt. And we have 5 pepper too. You know, Maggi season always my favorite season, no matter my season of choice. All purpose to be exact. Most people me see use. When me grew up, I never really have Maggi season. Used to have what the season name? Mix here, you know, little season way in a pack, like a mix up season, called a mix up season in a pack. My grandma said me go buy mix up season. I never buy mix up season yet. Never used to have Maggi season. Go ahead on it. Whoa. Cha. Me not think nothing touch you if you say. It no good. I'm gonna rest this one this one. I believe I blow hard. Rest this one this. Nah, I now use pepper till I finish. I finish rub some pepper on it. Come on, season. No, I want it too much. No season on it. Yes, right, this is now. So we are go. Sure, we are going to know. We now go. Oh, some wolf eater come off the fire. We don't want them, we don't want a fire, we just want coal. So we just do that, take out them there. Mash up them. Aye. Heat. Mash it, you know. Good, mash it. Now do that. Take out this. Put this in this so. That's the, you know, I'll give that like 15 minutes to 20 minutes and then check back on it. So you just come out now. You'll see it's the one of the whiteness to it, you know, like I use like a browning pan but sure. Taste this and see if it's cooked. tastes good. Oh, juice I get it.